Hello guys, in this video I will show you how you can easily send crypto from your Trust wallet to your Binance wallet. First of all, you have to open up your Trust wallet. We will send USDT from our Trust wallet to Binance wallet, so we will choose USDT. Then we have to choose send. Here in the address or domain name section, we have to put our USDT address from our Binance wallet. So we'll head over to our Binance wallet. Here we come to our wallet section. Then we will search for USDT and we'll click on it. We will choose the deposit option. Here you can see the network option are showing. We have to choose ERC20 from here because in the Trust wallet account we can see here the send USDT. In the bracket we can see ERC20. We have to make sure we choose ERC20, otherwise our funds will be lost. So we'll head over to our Binance account and choose ERC20 from here. We will copy our deposit address and come back to our Trust wallet. We'll paste our deposit address here. Then we will put the amount of USDT we want to transfer. After that, we have to just click on next and click confirm. After that, our USDT will be sent from our Trust wallet to our Binance wallet. That's all for today.